You asked, and I'm delivering. Today, I'm stripping away the mystery of the DIY Brazilian. I'll show you how to get pro results safely, effectively, and with way less pain. One of the most common comments I get is, "I want to try this, but I'm terrified of doing it wrong." By the end of this video, you'll be a pro. Step 1. Hair length. It needs to be about the size of a grain of rice. If it's longer, trim it. If shorter, wait. Next, we clean the area to remove oils and sweat, so the wax grips the hair, not your skin. My secret sauce is a light dusting of cornstarch. This creates a protective barrier. It ensures the wax only grabs what it needs to, reducing that post-wax redness. Check your temperature. It should be the consistency of thick honey. If it's runny like water, it's too hot and will burn you. Always test a small patch on your wrist first. Apply in the direction of hair growth. See this little lip I'm making at the end? That's your handle. Without a thick anchor, you'll be picking at the wax, which causes bruising. The most important part, hold the skin tight. I mean really tight. Pull the strip back fast and parallel to the skin. Never pull up, or you'll end up with those painful strawberry bumps. Immediate relief tip. Press your hand over the area right after the pull. The pressure confuses your nerve endings and kills the sting instantly. This is a game changer for the sensitive spots. Don't try to do one giant strip. Break the area into small, manageable sections. Start from the outside and work your way in. Take a deep breath in and pull on the exhale. Cleanup time. Use a post-wax oil or even coconut oil to dissolve any residue. Never use water. Hard wax won't budge with water, and you'll just end up scrubbing and irritating your skin. For the next 24 hours, no tight leggings, no hot tubs, and no gym. Your pores are open and vulnerable. Wait 48 hours before you start gently exfoliating to prevent those stubborn ingrowns. Self-waxing is a skill. Don't be discouraged if it's not perfect the first time. Hit that like button if this helped and comment below. What's your biggest fear with DIY waxing? I'll see you in the comments.